when Rajesh's age was same as the present age of Garima, okay, when Rajesh's age was same as present age of Garima, okay, the ratio of their ages was 3:2. When Garima's age becomes same as the present age of Rajesh, the ratio of ages of Rajesh and Garima will become. Now you see, when Rajesh was same as present age of Garima, so Rajesh is elder to Garima, right? Obviously, Rajesh was same as the present age of Garima, right? So this is Rajesh, this is Garima, okay? Let's say the present age of Rajesh is A years and Garima is B years, right? Rajesh is A and Garima is B, okay? So how much Rajesh is elder to Garima? Rajesh's age minus Garima age is A minus B. Rajesh is A minus B years elder to Garima. So they are saying that when Rajesh was same as present age of Garima, okay? So when Rajesh was Garima's age, that is means in the past, they are talking about the past, right? In the past, Rajesh's age was B. Rajesh's age was Garima's present age, which is B. And this was in how many years back? This was obviously A minus B years back, because Rajesh is now A years when Rajesh was B years. When was Rajesh B years? That is A minus B years back. So at that time Garima's age will be also B minus, Garima age will decrease by A minus B, because Rajesh has decreased by A minus B, right? Okay. So Garima's age was B minus A minus B. So which is nothing but 2B minus A. Okay. So Garima's age was 2B minus A. Now they are saying that the ratio was 3:2, right? 3:2. Now a question is when Garima's age becomes same as Rajesh. Now when Garima becomes Rajesh's age, means Garima will become A year. How many years? After how many years Garima will become A? That is after A minus B years, right? So we have to add A minus B to B, right? So at that time Rajesh's age will be how much? You have to add A minus B to Rajesh's age. So A plus A minus B. So Rajesh will be 2A minus B, right? Okay. Now the question is, we have to find the ratio of Rajesh and Garima. So we have to find this ratio. We have to find 2A minus B by A. This we are supposed to find. Okay. Now again we are saying that here, when Rajesh was same as Garima's age, the ratio of age was 3:2. So that means it is this into this, I mean B is to this is given as 3:2, right? So we have B by 2B minus A, right? This is already we are given 3/2. 3/2. So if you cross multiply, we have 6B minus 3A equals to 2B. Bring 2B this side. So 4B equals to 3A, okay. So this is 6B minus 3A is 2B. So bring this side, 4B equals to 3A. So here A by B is 4/3. A by B is 4:3. So we can take A as 4K and B as 3K, but there is no need to take A because both are linear term. K will get cancels. So we can simply replace A by 4 and B by 3. So we have to find this ratio. So this is 2 into A, we can, instead of 4K, 3K, we can just take 4 and 3, K will get cancelled. So A we can take 4, B we can take 3. So this A is 4. So it's 8 minus 3, 5 by 4. So the answer is 5:4. So 5:4 is the answer, which is option 1. So the answer is 5:4. Okay.